Today's prompt is to create and flourish. Reflect on your journey and to design a page that represents your creative essence and how you wish to continue into the future. Well, I popped over to Canva for this one. Yes, I know it's a bit different, but it still fits the theme and it gave me a chance to gather all my thoughts into one place. I used the whiteboard tool to help me plot out a design which will help me to continue creatively in the future. I can get a bit overwhelmed sometimes with all of the projects that are rattling around in my head. So it can really help to map out everything I have going on in there to try and help to give it some structure. And then as I move forward, I do so with clarity and purpose. Creativity, of course, flows all the time, but this way I'm just gently carving out a channel for it to flow in a more productive direction. As an artist and creator, I do find that Canva and Asana are essential for my everyday creative toolkit. And these are just as important to me as paper and pencils. Although today is the final day of our 30-day challenge, creativity doesn't stop here, and it's okay to take a little bit more time to finish up any work on the previous prompts from the 30 days. I've been dipping in and out of them myself when I haven't been able to finish one every day, and no doubt I'll continue to work on ones I started as a great starting point for future projects. Just to remind you, there are some great free resources available for you to download and use in your own journaling. Apart from the challenge resources that you got access to when you signed up, there are also some freebies available for you to download from my website, and the link is below. I really want to say thank you so much for being part of the challenge journey. It's been a really great experience. There aren't many in the community group. It's a very small and cosy place to share work and see all those prompts in one place. But I'll be keeping it open until the 30th of May, so feel free to keep creating, sharing or revisiting the prompts at your own pace up until then. I'll be popping in periodically, so please do say hi and introduce yourself if you're in there. After the 30th of May, I'll be closing the challenge officially and that space, as well as access to the Create and Flourish downloads. But I have another creative idea brewing that will be coming soon. So keep your eye out for those updates in your inbox if you signed up for the challenge. And if you didn't sign up for the challenge but would like to be involved in the next creative adventure, the link to the waiting list will be below, and the challenge sign up will automatically redirect you to the waiting list once it's officially closed. I wish you all the best in your creativity and hope that you enjoy finishing the challenge in a way that resonates with you. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.